Whimper. To make a soft, weak crying sound.
The puppy whimpered softly. She whimpered softly in her sleep.
Beckon. To signal someone to come closer using your hand or head.
She'd beckon him to come closer. The waiter beckoned us toward an empty table.
Gnaw. To bite something continuously, also to bother your mind.
Puppies love to gnaw on shoes. Guilt kept gnawing at her all night.
Doodle. To draw little pictures or shapes without thinking.
He likes to doodle during class. I always doodle in my notebook during boring meetings.
Scoot. To move a little to the side or forward.
The kids scooted across the playground. Can you scoot over? I need space to sit.
Sneer. To smile or speak in a way that shows disrespect.
He gave a sneer at the joke. He sneered and said, "You'll never make it."
Dazzle. To amaze or impress someone, also to shine brightly.
The magician dazzled the children. The sunlight dazzled me on the road.
Snoop. To look around secretly, trying to find out private things.
Don't snoop through my phone. He likes to snoop around the house.
Scurry. To move quickly with small steps, like you're in a hurry.
The children scurried to class. I saw a rat scurry across the kitchen floor.
Quiver. To shake slightly, usually from fear or cold.
Her hands quivered with fear. The leaves quivered in the wind.
Gape. To stare with your mouth open, usually in surprise or shock.
Tourists gaped at the tall tower. The crowd gaped at the magician's trick.
Yank. To pull something suddenly and hard.
He yanked the rope hard. He yanked the door open.
Slump. To sit or fall down in a lazy or tired way.
He slumped into the chair. She slumped over the table, exhausted.
Brood. To think deeply and sadly about something.
He likes to brood in silence. He sat in silence, brooding over his mistake.
Squint. To partly close your eyes to see better.
I had to squint to read the tiny text. The child squinted through the keyhole.
Snatch. To grab something quickly, usually by surprise.
The thief snatched her purse. A bird snatched the bread from my hand.
Crave. To want something badly.
I crave chocolate at night. After a long day, she craved peace and quiet.